Hello and welcome. Today we'll evaluate how our AI initiatives are performing financially and whether they align with our initial business objectives. We'll cover how to measure AI's impact, cost savings, revenue, efficiency, compare top AI vendors' ROI, look at retail industry peers, who's winning with AI, and highlight best practices versus pitfalls. This sets the stage for ensuring our AI investments generate real business value, not just tech for tech's sake. We categorize AI ROI into cost savings, revenue gains, and efficiency improvements. For example, automation may cut costs by reducing manual work hours or errors. Microsoft's Copilot was found to cut onboarding time by 30%, a direct efficiency gain. Revenue uplift can come from AI-driven marketing or product recommendations. Walmart saw e-commerce sales jump 21% after leveraging generative AI. It's also critical to contrast short-term versus long-term ROI. Some AI projects pay back quickly. IBM's AI chatbot ROI 337% in 6 months. But larger strategic AI, like supply chain systems, might yield more significant ROI over several years. Setting expectations for both immediate wins and longer-term value is part of planning. Independent studies give us ROI benchmarks for major AI platforms. Microsoft's enterprise AI users saw over 100% ROI within 3 years, and in some use cases up to 450%. Google's AI platform delivered nearly 4x return on investment in a composite case. IBM's Watson AI solutions similarly have driven 3 to 4x ROI in customer service and knowledge management contexts. AWS and other cloud vendors report over 200% ROI in efficiency and uptime improvements. Additionally, IDC finds an average of $3.70 in returns for every $1 spent on generative AI. While these numbers vary, the takeaway is that well-implemented AI solutions from top vendors are yielding substantial returns, often paying for themselves multiple times over. Vendor selection should thus consider not just features but proven ROI in similar projects. How do our peers in retail fare with AI? Leaders like Walmart and Amazon report tangible ROI. Walmart, for instance, credits AI for improving its bottom line. One stat: they used AI to handle work that would have taken 100 times more staff manually. An enormous efficiency gain with clear cost savings. Amazon's AI and robotics in supply chains saved about $1.6 billion in a single year, showing how AI at scale can drastically cut costs. Industry studies suggest generative AI could add as much as 390 buys of value to retailers, translating to 1 to 2% higher profit margins industry-wide. Most large retailers are already piloting or deploying AI. About 75% say they are seeing ROI now. This means the competitive bar is rising. To stay ahead, we need to ensure our AI projects are delivering results on par with these benchmarks. To maximize ROI, our approach to AI must be disciplined. First, tie every AI project to a specific business goal, e.g., reduce churn by 10% via AI-driven personalization. Clarity here guides the project and its evaluation. Set KPIs and target values at the outset, and measure baseline performance so we can attribute improvements to the AI. We recommend starting with pilot projects that address a pain point and demonstrate quick wins, then scaling what works, as long as it remains aligned with strategic priorities. Data is the fuel for AI. Poor data will derail ROI, so ensure we budget for cleaning and preparing data and perhaps upskilling our team on AI usage. Lastly, track results over time. We should review ROI on a regular cadence, monthly, quarterly, and be ready to tweak the solution or even our usage of it. For example, provide additional training or adjust the model to hit our ROI targets. These best practices come from lessons learned across many companies and will guide us to success. Equally important is knowing what not to do. A frequent pitfall is implementing AI because it's hot, but without a clear problem to solve. That almost guarantees a muddled ROI. Also, be careful not to focus only on short-term financial metrics. Some benefits, better customer experience, faster insights, are leading indicators of future profit, so we should value them accordingly rather than declaring an AI project a failure because it didn't immediately boost revenue. We must set a baseline before AI. Otherwise, we're guessing the impact. Many firms have tripped up by neglecting that and then couldn't quantify the AI's value. Another pitfall: the human element. If we don't get user buy-in, or if teams feel threatened by AI, the tool might not be used effectively, undercutting ROI. Finally, expecting huge ROI day one, while some automation pays back fast, transformative AI, like a new analytics platform, might take a year or more to fully show returns. Pulling the plug too early or declaring victory too soon can both be mistakes. Awareness of these pitfalls will help us navigate around them as we implement AI solutions. In closing, AI offers significant financial upside. We've seen cost savings in the millions and ROI percentages in the triple digits from industry examples. The key to achieving similar outcomes is rigorous financial planning and alignment with our business strategy at every step. We should continually ask, does this AI initiative serve our core goals? And how will we measure its success? My recommendation is to conduct an ROI audit of our ongoing AI projects using the metrics and methods discussed. Identify which projects are yielding the highest value and which need course correction or clearer metrics. Focus our investment on the use cases with the strongest business cases, maybe it's optimizing pricing or automating supply chain planning, wherever the data shows high ROI potential. At the same time, lay the groundwork for sustained success by training our people and refining our data infrastructure. If we follow these recommendations, we can expect our AI investments not only to meet but exceed our initial business goals, contributing meaningfully to revenue growth, cost efficiency, and competitive advantage. Thank you.